exactly great swarm catching weather, but don't really have a whole lot of choice. It's supposed to rain tomorrow pretty well and possibly Saturday. So we are heading up toward Memphis to go ahead and pick this swarm up. So guy sent me a picture of it. I'll insert that picture into the video so you can see what it looks like. So it looks like a decent sized swarm, so we'll let you know what we look like when we get there. Alright, and here we are. Here's the swarm. It is on a trampoline. Let's see what we got under here. Kind of hard to see. It's a good sized swarm. Let's see if let's see how come y'all making their way in. I'm gonna put these all in. See if we can't just get them to march right in, not have to shake anything up. See that close. And you can see they are already marching in. All this is just a 8-frame box. I've got a feeder in here. I have not put any sugar water in there. I'll put that in there when I get home. And I put a couple drops of lemongrass oil on this frame and a couple drops on this frame. And what we're hoping is going to happen, and it looks like we're going to get lucky in that regard, is we are going to just have them all march in. It may take a few minutes, but I'd rather them march in than have to shake them in and whatnot. So let's kind of watch these girls go here. You see this one right here is fanning, which is a good sign. Being that they're marching in, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on just to make it feel like a place they definitely want to be. And there they go. See them just making their way in. If you look underneath it, let's see what we have. It's a good size collection here, but once they get rolling, it shouldn't take too long. So I'm gonna pause this for a minute, let them get marching, and we'll see how this goes. Speed up the process here. Fell off of that. What I'll do is after I get most of these in, I'll stick this on the ground, letting it walk in down there. Well, they're all up in the springs. That's what you call a handful of bees. And there they are. March is still going. So I'll peek in here for you. We are getting some bees in the house, which is a good thing. You see they're fanning up in there, saying, "Come on, come home." I do have a few of them that are actually climbing up under this little step stool. And so what I'll do is after they're all in there, if they're still on there, I'll shake these up guys into the box afterwards. With it being this close, I've got a good number of bees. I don't know how well you can see this. This is under the trampoline mat here. There's still a good number of them down there. But I don't really want to mess up their march of the penguins they have going here. A lot of fanning, not a lot of walking right now, so. They're going in there in the middle. I'm not sure how well you can see that or not. So we're gonna let them go for a while. You can see got a little dance going here. You can see I changed the location of where I had this thing. It was just too hard to see what was going on in there, and I couldn't eyeball for the queen. I think she's in there already, to be honest with you. They are all fanning, you can see. A lot of fanning happening here. So I'm hoping she's already in there, and the rest of them are just gonna do their thing and march on in. I do believe I still have a good number under there. We'll figure that out after I get most of these guys in. If I'm lucky, they'll just walk right in there with the rest of them. Alright, as you can see, we're getting dark. And I have most of them in there. A few of them still fanning. I did not see the queen go in. I'm making a guess that she's in there because all the others are out here fanning. There are very few of them left under here. You can, not sure how well you can see in the dark. Got a few of them right here. A couple of them. I'm not gonna be able to get all of them, obviously, but this is a good sized swarm. Let's see if I can hold this light so you can take a look at what we got. There they are. I'm gonna do the inner cover there. I'm gonna have to seal the sides of that sucker shut. Right here on the sides, the upper entrances, because it's pretty full. My plan had been to put that top on cover on without that inner cover to keep them sealed in there, but they were just piling up on top of there, and I didn't want to squish any girls. So anywho, I'm going to see if I can't brush the last few of these in and go ahead and head on out. So definitely a productive trip, and get these girls home and pour some sugar water in there and see if we can't get them to stick around. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit like, hit subscribe. We do appreciate it, and I am definitely glad it didn't end up pouring rain on this. And better late than never. There it is. It is out here. It's in the new front bee yard. First hive out here. It is dark. They're a little testy. I did open it up and poured a couple gallons of sugar syrup in there. I want to make sure they could draw some comb. So you can see they are actively exploring their entrance. I imagine they'll head back in as soon as I get the light off of them. But I'm going to go ahead and head on in. So thanks for watching. Like I said, click like, click subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Have a good night.